Music IMTV.
Music on MTV, rocking out with Ra Ra, the Fresh Skrilla. He brought me some new shit, man.
Attention, no time for discussion. It's a dog world, so we must get the bus. And a lot of niggas run their mouth, but I know they bluffing till I make them swallow them hollows, and now they saying nothing. Okay, what it is, watch them fold up. One shot from the 4-5, shit I do, man.
Yo, man, how long ago you did that track?
How long ago I did this? How long? Like probably like 2 days ago.
Man, that's what's up, man. What made you think about doing the track?
I was high. I was in my bag, you know, had a good night. I ended up going to the studio at 4:30 in the morning. So I didn't want to go to sleep. I said, yo, let's record something. He put like 5 beats on, whatever. Then he put this beat on, and it was just like, the beat spoke to me. So I said, fuck a phone, fuck a pen, fuck a book. The beat speaking to me, I might as well speak right back to the beat. Tear your soul up, you need to grow up, or really go up. Your spirit lead the earth, your body get tucked. Man, you's a dumb fuck if you try to run up on a nigga like me who let his gun bust. You plant your own death, you dug your own hole in the ground where you rest till I lose control, till I overload and let that drama fold. My story's in the process, fuck a tool. Ain't no movie, you don't see me with my wrist. To me, I might as well speak right back to the beat.
What is that going on? One of any of your projects, or you just did that to do it?
Right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, man.
Be on one of my joints.
It might have to be on one of these analyzer joints, man. You know, man. Like, it might have to. Yeah, I think it's analyzer words. Fuck a tool. Ain't no movie. You don't see me with my wrist froze, but I'm getting money, still fuck a lot of hoes. Yeah. The whole hood knows that one day Young Ra really gonna blow. On my back got stretched. Phantom, you know, Fresh Skrilla to the death, and I can't let go. To the day that I die, Mr. Yes gonna ride, and I'm built like a soldier, made to survive. So don't try, just commit suicide. Hang yourself, here's the rope, go ahead, try to fly. I'm getting stupid high in my stupid life. With FS, Dutch for Dutch, do it every night. 10 Dutches a piece, we got a paper right. 10 Dutches a piece, a hazy every night. I live that boss life, got a boss appetite, boss hard every night, just to get my paper right. You a farm boy, and we made from the jungle, where all we know is murder, pain, and the struggle. We got a trap every day from the muscle. Real niggas gunplay, we ain't trying to tussle. Wartime strapped up, something like a rebel. I'm a man like Bam, y'all bitch like Pebbles. Ha! You think words, man. Like, what I'm gonna do for y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of something that's going on my little next project. Hey, can I give them that?
Exclusive, give them that exclusive shit. Music on MTV, man, you rocking out.
This is just the intro to my job. You mean, same nigga since day one. You feel me? Like, y'all know this beat, Meek Mill, Heaven and Hell? Yeah, you know that's gonna be my intro.
When you did this track?
I laid this yesterday. I worked hard, man. Like, this is one of the 2 I dropped yesterday. You mean?
We only gonna give them a teaser.
This is the teaser. I said, if real recognize real, then nigga, I don't know you. So fuck what you stand for and fuck what you say you do. Yeah, we know it's not true. All you ever do is lie, but you can see the look in my eyes that I'm rusted at. You really like.
But let them know, man. That's coming out on your next joint, right?
Yeah, that's coming out on my next joint, man.
You got the name for your next project?
This is actually gonna be same nigga since day one. You mean? The reason why I'm calling it the same nigga since day one, cause that Meek Mill, I'm digging Meek beats, man. Whoever making his beats, like, they got some shit. Well,
let them know where they can find you at on Twitter and all.
On Twitter, I'm at Ra Mr. Yes Ra. Facebook, Ra Fresh Skrilla KSJ. Instagram, Fresh Skrilla _Ra. My SoundCloud, you mean? Ra Fresh Skrilla KSJ. That song that what I'm talking about, that Make Me John, it's called Same Nigga Since Day One. It's on there. You mean? I ain't even gonna spit it, but I'm gonna let y'all get a little hear about it. You mean?
You already know you're rocking out. Yeah.
Motherfucking living legend.
exclusive shit too.
Been doing this rap shit for 10 years.
10 years I've been rapping.
And since day one, I always been the same.
I've always been the same. I just got older.
This Ra-Ra, aka Mr. Yes. You dig me? I'm the same nigga since day one.
The same nigga since day one. The same nigga since day one. I'm only gonna give y'all a verse and cut it off.
Not even a verse, we gonna give him a half of that shit. Fuck that.
Never will I change.
That's
I was spit and you spit flame. Got me aiming at you lanes. I bet you gon' do a thing. Cause that blue still gon' bang. Guaranteed your brain's gon' hang. Shit, man, like.
That's all exclusive shit
it,
too, man. Let them
shit
know,
not even
man.
out there. That shit not even out. That track, you can find that track on my SoundCloud, you man. You know, Ra-Ra Fresh Skrilla KSJ. It's on there, man. Like,
you already know,
give me
man.
them likes, you know. I show love, Philly support Philly, man.
You already know.
It is what it is.
Rocking out music on MTV, man. We out.
Music on MTV.